Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. How are you guys doing today? We are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial. This hair is at a stage where it just wants to flip out. Driving me crazy. Okay, so let's hop in and do our makeup today. We've already done all the skincare things because you want to start with a clean palette. And so we are using Knox Anew Ultimate Serum for the eyes and the face, and then the day cream. So it's primed, clean, and ready to go. So we're going to go in with our primer, the VDL Lima Layer, and give ourselves a little extra glow today. So fall has fallen on us. It's crazy. It is gone from 120 degrees in Texas to 60 degrees in Texas. I mean, literally in a week. It's nuts how fast it happens. Let me pull this hair back so that we are not getting makeup in it. How about that? Okay. It was hair wash day, so I had to blow dry and all the things. Are you one that washes your hair every day? Are you like an every other day washer? Or I have a friend that's a once a week washer. Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha. We are going to go in. I'm an every other day washer. I tend to get oily hair if I go any further than that. I do have a dry shampoo that I love, that I use. But if I wash my hair too much, it dries it out. It's crazy, right? So I think we all have to kind of know our hair consistency, is that the word? And then go from there. But yeah, like my girlfriend, she has super dry hair. And she said if she washes it every day, it would just be like hay sticks. And so she's an every other day, or she's a once a week washer. Cashmere Complexion, we're going to use shade Buttercream on this face. And put our lines on. I'm going to put it directly on today instead of on my hand. Just kind of putting it in the places that I want it to work in. So, you know, I think definitely, I wish AVON would come out with a dry shampoo. We don't have a dry shampoo. But I do use the styling cream gel on my hair on the days I wash it. And I think it gives it more volume, and it tends to cut down on the oiliness if I'm only going to wash every other day. So that is a huge benefit to me from the styling gel. Have you guys tried this? It's cool. But I'll show y'all my dry shampoo. It's not AVON. I got it at Ulta. Good morning, Cindy. How are you? What are your favorite things about fall? That's what I was starting to talk about. How it's dropped here in Texas, and we went from like midsummer temperatures to fall temperatures. Let me get that dry shampoo. I'll show you. So on my every other day, I use this Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry shampoo. It's good. It's really good. So you spray it and then wait 30 seconds and then massage it in and shake it. But it definitely helps cut down if you have oil like on that second day. It definitely helps cut down on the oil. So my best advice to that is to find you a good dry shampoo that you can't even tell that you're using dry shampoo. Okay, we're doing Tattoo Station in shade brown. Good morning, sister. Do you have a good dry shampoo that you use, or do you wash every day? I just don't have time every day to wash and dry. And when my hair was shorter, I washed it every day because it only took like 5 minutes to dry it. But now that it's longer, it's a whole thing. I don't know how women with long hair will have time to wash and dry their hair every day. I have another friend who washes her hair every day, and then she just puts it up in a bun and lets it dry, and my hair would be a kinky mess, frizzy mess if I did that. I will tell you, and Cindy and I have had this conversation, the Chi hair dryer, it definitely is, it's got this ionic thing in it, and it definitely makes it so that the hair is smooth, and you could not even straighten it, and it's still, you know, it kind of does that job for you, which is cool. I love that it kind of does that 2-in-1. Okay, Magix Dust, you usually wash every day. You have shorter hair though. It doesn't take you so long to dry it. I have to dry in sections now. Is that crazy? So somebody tell me when I'm going to get past this stage where it kinks up every day on my shoulders. It was growing so fast during quarantine, and then as we've kind of slowly gone back to normal life, it's like it quit growing. I don't know what I did wrong. It's crazy. I go 3 to 4 days before washing. Wow. Do you use a dry shampoo, Cindy? What do you use to keep it from getting oily? Monopop, Palate. But I will say that since I've started using this, I can definitely tell I could probably go 3 days. I think I just can't, like in my mind, I can't do that. We're going to use corals this morning. Maybe it's just a mind thing. I was raised by a mom that you wash your hair every day and you don't leave your house without makeup on. So, hence why I do my makeup every morning. Okay. We're doing the 2 lighter colors and just kind of putting that base down. And since I have pink on today, we're going to rock a little pink here. We're going to pick up those pink shades and a little bit of that brown and work that crease. There we go. That little tone of brown mixed with those pinks definitely gives it like a 3D color, which is what I'm looking for. And the best thing about mixing your colors, I had a question the other day, how do you know how to mix your colors? Well, I just pick the colors I like and I mix them together, but you want to blend, blend, blend. That is the best thing. We don't want like clear color distinction on your eyes. You want to blend. Okay, Sandra says, if I use the Chi gel, I can go at least 2 and just refresh it with a little water and it looks just as good in the first day. That is awesome. Yeah, I'm very impressed with that styling gel. It has definitely changes the texture. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with those 2 browns there. It definitely changes the texture of my hair from that dry feel to, it just feels like it has more balance, which I love. I didn't expect that with it. Okay, I gotta get a different mirror, y'all. Girl, I have too much hair to wash every day. It's training your hair. Oh, okay, training. It's not crunchy. I know, right, Sandra? It doesn't give it that dry, like, crunch feel. And every gel I've ever used before, even mousse sometimes, can kind of give me that crunchy feel in my hair. And that gel doesn't, so that's a definite plus. Okay, all right, the eyes are balanced. We're going to go in now with liquid liner and line these baby browns. Here we go. I need some poppin' music. I was watching a live last night of a lady doing her makeup. She was singing to her fans as she was doing makeup. And I was like, oh, I think I would lose them all if I was singing to them. Like some Beyonce or something. I could be singing y'all Beyonce this morning. Okay, so back to my first question. What is your favorite part of fall? What do you love most about fall? What do you love to do? What is your favorite thing about it? I definitely love the cooler weather, the warmer clothes. I am have something. Okay. I had something on my nose I had to get off. You know, football and fireplaces. I'm not a pumpkin person. Everybody always says pumpkin spice. Ugh. I'm not a pumpkin person. However, I did go to a Scentsy party the other day. We're going to use Love Waterproof. I did go to a Scentsy party the other day. My girl Kim is a Scentsy rep. And I got some pumpkin Scentsy. And it's like pumpkin blueberry. And it smells heavenly. Now, it didn't make me like cringe. So maybe there's hope for me in the pumpkin world. Sandra loves hot chocolate. Oh, me too. With marshmallows on top, girl. Okay. On our leadership call last night, one of my girls shared a trick to do your Love mascara and to make it even longer. So I'm trying it this morning. Definitely taking that hump and working it in at the root is part of it. And I've been working that, but she kind of did it on the top too. So like on the top of the lashes down. And then going in at the root. I could not get out of bed this morning. My alarm was like, went off all morning long, and I just kept hitting snooze. Do you ever have one of those mornings when you're just like, I don't want to get up? Okay, I think it's doing all the good this morning. Okay. Allergies is one thing I do not love about fall. Blushed in Love. I'm going to use this palette one more day. It's still for sale on our website, and I love it because it's a simple blush and highlighter in one. So I'm just going to pick up that pink and add a little every morning. My sister says every morning the drainage comes, and every morning the sneezing comes. I know people think I have the COVID, and it's just allergies. Okay, we're going to do, because by, I don't know, by about 10 o'clock, it's cleared out a little bit. I'm using my powder brush. I shouldn't be using my other brush, but that's okay. Put a little bit there on the cheeks. So I love this palette. If you are looking for a good little simple palette, it has some blush and it has some highlighter in it, that is definitely one that you want to pick up. Okay, let's do some, oh, I'm going to show you guys this one. This is our new flat tone two-tone lipstick, and this is shade Brown Effect, which it's really kind of more of a pinky brown. It has the two colors in one, and the cool thing is you can like line your lips with it. This one is, what is this color? Beige Effect, and it's more the browns to me. You can see like the darker and the lighter in that. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you this one because it's a little bit more distinct. So I take the darker side on top and watch. So it's kind of two tones in one. So my lips, the darker part is on the top, and then my lighter part's on the bottom, and you can kind of blend it with your lips. Isn't that cool? I'm all about a two-step, make it easy. Looks like you have the liner and the lipstick all in one. That makes my life simple. Okay, so at what point, I need your advice. At what point is this flip gonna go away? Hopefully, I need to start taking some hair vitamins maybe. But for now, this is what we got. So thank you guys for getting ready with me. I love that palette too. It is it is one of my favorites. I use it a lot because you can pull so many different colors from it. Okay, guys, this is our look for today. Go out and have an amazing fall day. Love on people. Be nice to your neighbors. And thank you for getting ready with me. Share this video. Somebody else may need these tips. If you want to shop for any of these products, you can do so at your avon.com/jwoolsey. That's WOLSEY. And it will ship right to your house. So thanks, guys. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.